Hello my friends, welcome to my channel. Today we have a very simple and very easy meal. We have grilled chicken. This grilled chicken is just very simple, what we call this spice on it when we make it, when we grilled it, just barbecue this powder, and that's it. So we will make salad for our grilled chicken. So here is it. We will make a dip with this grilled chicken. So we have this ingredients here. We have olive oil, lemon, mayonnaise, we have yogurt, we have cumin, black pepper, chili powder, and salt. That's it. This is just very simple. I know you have your own ready-made dressing, but I made it myself. So first we will have this mayonnaise. Then we will have yogurt. This is a plain yogurt. And we will put our spices. Wait. A little of this olive oil. Lemon. And we will put spices. We have cumin, yes, chili powder. It's a kick. This is yummy. This is very spicy. I think it's enough. And black pepper. Just a little. And of course salt. So we have a very good dip. Just mix it together. And you have a healthy dip. No sugar. That's why I make it myself, because I want to make sure that there is no sugar on it. So this is for our keto meal tips. Oh god, it's so yummy. Now we are going to decorate our, so we'll put it here. It's juicy. So we're going to decorate our, it's not a decoration, but this is really our food. But before, I remind you every time, we will make sure to wash our hand every time we make food or whatever we do. Wash and wash and wash. I'm excited to eat because today I don't know if I eat. This is our dinner, and so I'm pretty here we go. So we have here a lot of vegetable here, and we have our tomatoes on the other side. So beautiful. And of course we can have our, here we have a lot of vegetables. So this is our vegetables, grilled chicken salad. So you will enjoy this salad. So what we have here, so you have also your onion rings. They're beautiful. They're beautiful. You can eat this with your family. So lovely. So let's cut my hand. Alright guys, see how beautiful it is, our keto meal tips for today. This is grilled chicken salad with specially made dip or dressing. Thank you so much guys for watching, and hope you enjoy our video for today for our keto meal tips. Okay, bye for now. See you in my next video. Hope you have a great day, my friends. Bye.